Hi sweetheart, we got some chicken and broccoli here. Let's give it a try. And broccoli's a tad overdone. I'm going to make chicken and broccoli and show you how I do it real quick by adding some oil. And we want to get this heated up, but while we're waiting for it to heat up, we're going to add garlic. And I got onions with black pepper. I'm going to break it down, kind of spread it around, and saute the onions and garlic until the onions turn translucent and the garlic starts to brown. It's about a tablespoon of crushed garlic or garlic paste, a quarter of an onion diced up. There we go. At a medium heat. It's a little bit too high. The oil is what gets the garlic and black pepper smell to really come out. And you also need the oil for the onion. Otherwise the onion won't turn translucent. It'll stay crunchy. I have a chicken breast, or half of a chicken breast, that I've been marinating in soy sauce. We're going to add that next and then brown the chicken. Smell the garlic. The onions aren't completely translucent, but I think that when I saute the chicken with it, it'll really start to brown, and I don't want them burnt. Otherwise the garlic will taste bitter and the onions will taste sour. So now's a good point to add the chicken. We're just going to pan fry the chicken here. Now I'm happy my onions are translucent and they're not burnt. It's time to add the broccoli. You notice I chopped the broccoli down, split them in half on the bigger pieces, or even quarters. And then I'm going to add a can of chicken broth and bring it to a boil. Let's turn the heat up so it boils faster. Now it's not actually boiling, but I can hear it bubbling. Kind of the sizzle, sizzle, bubble, bubble sound. I don't know if you can hear that. It's a good time to cover it up and turn the fire down to low. And I'm going to let it steam for about 10 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes, and what we're looking for is these stems to not be white in the middle. I'm going to do a little bit of stirring. The hot spot is in the middle, so I want to try to push the bigger stems, the ones with the bigger stems, into the middle. You still want it to be crunchy, but not too crunchy. Alright, that's been about 10 minutes. It looks pretty good. Here comes the fun part. We're going to make our sauce. Got our chicken broth in there with a slotted spoon and taking out all the broccoli and beef. I'm going to bring it back up to a boil. And I have cornstarch and water slurry. This thing needs to be simmering for me to add my cornstarch slurry. And slowly add that slurry in there and mix it up to thicken it. This is about a tablespoon of cornstarch and hot boiling water. You can see it start to slowly thicken up. If it over thickens, add some water and that'll thin it out again. And as it heats, it'll also start to thicken some more. I think that's thick enough. Then I get to add my broccoli and chicken back in. And mix it up to coat. Well, look at that. When I added the broccoli and chicken back in, the moisture from the broccoli and chicken thinned it out again. So I'm going to add some more cornstarch. Thicken it up a little bit more. There we go. And that's what we want. We want a nice thick gravy. Stick to your bones kind of gravy. That's the other reason why you want your broccoli not overcooked, so it doesn't break apart when you mix it in with the gravy. There you go. Last touch, I have chopped red ginger. Ooh, look at that color. Nice little color pop. Give it a nice little toss. Ooh, yeah, that hurts my ears. My fresh steamed rice. Scoop the chicken and broccoli over it. Get some of that gravy. Rice and gravy is delicious. Yum. Look at that. Hot. And ginger adds a nice touch. Oh, gravy's delicious. With the black pepper and the garlic. Mmm. I think if you don't add the cornstarch, it's considered keto. Of course, the rice ruins it. Not keto. But maybe if you put it over rice cauliflower, it tastes pretty good. Then it would be keto. Well, this really hits the spot. Mmm. 5 minutes prep, 10-minute cook time, and takes 2 minutes to eat. All done. Now it's time to pack everything up for lunch tomorrow. Well, not everything. Now it's time to pack up some of it for lunch tomorrow, maybe for the next couple days, and do the dishes. Ciao. Buster's here for some chicken. It's chicken. It's a chicken. Come here. It's a chicken. Don't bite my fingers. Don't bite my fingers. Gently. Gently. Yummy, 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 yummy chicken. Yummy chicken. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? You only like me because you got some fat.